TikTok has created a brand new opportunity where you can make thousands of dollars by utilizing print on demand in TikTok Shop. And you're going to want to jump on this early before everyone else does. So let's go over exactly how to get started. Okay, the first thing you want to do is go over to TikTokShopSellerCenter.com so you can sign up for a new account for TikTok Shop. And this is what the screen is going to look like. Just select your region. I'm North America, so I'm going to select this. And for me, I already signed up, so it's going to take me to this screen right here. But for you, you're going to have to put in some information. Don't worry, it's just basic information. So once you put that information in, you're going to be here. You're going to see home, order, products, marketing, affiliate, live and video, growth, analytics, account health, and finances. Don't worry, you won't have to worry about any of this too much right now. So once you sign up, it's going to be time to move on to step 2. And that is, you need a Shopify store now. Once you sign up for a Shopify store, you're going to need 2 apps as well. The first app is going to be, of course, TikTok. You need to go to the App Store and look up TikTok and download that app. And the second app that you need is going to be Printify. So you want to look up Printify print on demand app so you can connect it to your Printify account so you can start printing and making sales. So once you sign up for TikTok Shop and you sign up for a Shopify store, you need to now find trending products / design so you can make similar ones and you can sell them as well. So for this step, you need to open up your TikTok Shop and just search up either men's clothing or women's clothing. So I'm gonna go men's clothing and just search up trending designs. You know if it's trending, if it has at least bare minimum 100 sales. I like to go with 500. So as you can see, this one right here has 900. This one has 963. This one has 4,000. So let's click on this one, Silly Goose one right here. So as you can see, this one has 4,161 sales, and it's a basic design. Anyone can make it. So let's make this design in our Canva app. Once you find a design that you want to make, just head over to canva.com so you can create the design. Go up to create a design, custom size, and push in 4,500 by 5,100. So I decided to make the Silly Goose sweatshirt. So I'm going to go down to elements and search just a goose. And let's see what comes up. Let's see, go to see all. And this one right here looks pretty similar to the other goose. So I'm going to just make this one. Make it a little bigger. Go to text because we need some text to say Silly Goose on his back. Silly Goose. So if you need any elements, like if you want to search any, picture or anything, you can go over to elements and just search it up. It'll be there. And then this is the text. You can do a lot with the text right here on Canva. If you just want to play around with it, they got a lot of effects that you can play around with. We're going to have to curve it. So let's curve this. Make it a little smaller so it can fit on its back. And then we're going to put it like this. And boom. And let's make it a little bigger so it can fit the screen so it can be high quality. So that easy. We just made our design. It took us, like 2 minutes to make this? Not even that. So once you're done making your design, hit share. Go to download. Make sure you have transparent background checked. And then another thing that's really important so you can have good quality for your shirts is go all the way up to 13,500 by 15,300. This is very important. And then hit download. So once you're done creating your designs on Canva, it's time to go over to Printify so you can upload your designs to a t-shirt, hoodie, sweatshirt, whatever you want. So we went with the goose sweatshirt. So you go to catalog, men's clothing, sweatshirts. And my prices are going to look a little different from yours because I have Printify Premium. Printify Premium, once you start making sales, will save you a lot of money. So I highly recommend you get it once you start getting sales. So I'm going to go with the Gildan 18,000 for $11.97. And make sure to be aware that it costs around $8 to $9 for shipping as well. So include that in your price. So I'm going to click on it. So it's going to be $12.93 plus $8.49. So I'm going to click start designing. And this is where you're going to upload your design now. So go to your device and wherever you downloaded that. I got mine at Silly Goose right here. Click on it. And it's going to upload. It's going to take a little second. Okay, once you upload your design, it's going to look something like this. You can see your front side. You can go over the back side. But make sure you do know that if you add a design to the back side, the price is going to go up. So if you just want to stay with the front side, it'll be cheaper. So let's go back to front side. And right here, you can select your colors. You can even make the design bigger or smaller if you want to. And make sure it's centered and looks amazing. So you can choose your other colors. So I'm going to go with sand. I like sand and maybe red, or maybe blue. I'm going to go with these 3 colors. Try not to have too many colors. Once you start having 5 to 6 colors, people, that once they have a lot of options, they, get people just don't like a lot of options. So make sure you stay around 2 or 3. So once you have your colors, you can go over to preview, and right here it's gonna let you preview how your design looks. I love this feature right here because you can really see if you're gonna like it or if you need additional edits. As you can see, it looks alright. We can make a few more improvements, and right here you can even go down and click on lifestyle. The lifestyle photo is my favorite because it really puts in perspective how it would look in real life. So as you can see, we need to move it up some. So let's go back to edit, go up, and let's just move it up some more. Make sure you keep it in here because if you don't, it's gonna get cut off. So let's just make it go up, maybe all the way. Go back to preview, go to show more, and click on lifestyle again. And as you can see, that one improvement makes it look way better. And then you can even go over to a different color and see what the other colors look like. And honestly, the sand colors, I'm liking this the best out of all of them. It looks pretty nice to me. So you just want to go over all of it, and make sure you have a design that you like as well. And once the design is to your liking, you just go down and hit save product. And this right here is where you can make additional adjustments as well. Like, what's the first photo that will be seen? So right here, my front view is the first one that will be seen. You can add in different photos and everything. So like if you want to add in a lifestyle photo, you can check that one, or you can add this one or that one, or take that one away, and then you can have whatever color you want. I'm gonna stick with the sand color, and this photo looks the best to me. And then you can change the name. Here's the description right here, different tags, Valentine's Day pick. That is a good one for this one. Men's clothing, women's clothing, and unisex is good for this one because it's both for both men and women. And then you can assign it a shipping profile. I'm gonna go with the general one. The general one is just the one that Printery give you, so that's usually the best one. And then this is right here is where you can edit the price. When I'm selling on TikTok Shop, I like to go 29 by .29, $29.99, and hit apply. But for the ones that are 2x and 3x, I like to go for $31.99 because it does cost more to produce these. As you can see right here, the production cost is $14.86 and $15.82 for 2x and 3L. So just make sure you take that into consideration. Right here, you want to make sure this is checked to include the mock-ups. And down here, it isn't really important. It's just telling you what category you want it to be in your Shopify store. But you just click one. It don't really matter because when people shop on a TikTok shop, they're not even leaving the app. So once you do all these adjustments, just hit publish. Okay, once your product is published to your Shopify store, the next step is to make sure you track quantity. This is a very important step because if you don't do this, your products won't show up on TikTok shop. So all you need to do is just go over to your shirt, sweatshirt, hoodie, leggings, whatever you just designed, and just click on it. Once you click on it, what you need to do first, you need to go to manage sales channel and make sure TikTok is checked. And then go down and click this check mark right here and go to bulk edit. Once you go to bulk edit, you want to go to columns. And once you go to columns, make sure that track quantity is checked. You want to make sure all of these is checked, and then scroll over and make sure where it say Printify available, make sure all of these say 999. Once you do this, just hit the back button and then hit save. And that's all you need to do for this step. This is a very important step though, because if you don't, like I said, it won't show up in TikTok shop at all. Okay, and the last step is optional, but I highly recommend you do it, and that's just buying 3 to 5 t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, whatever you design, and just marketing them on TikTok, because TikTok is pushing this feature right now. Whoever has a link into their products, and you can get a lot of views doing this, so it's going to boost your sales. The first video I did with this had over 1,000 views on a brand new account, and it got me a few sales. All right, and that right there is how you can start print on demand on TikTok shop. I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope you have success in your journey, and like I said, this is a brand new opportunity that TikTok has created, so the faster you jump in on it, the easier it'll be and the more money you can make. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, just drop them down below and I'll be happy to help you. Good luck in your journey.